Shashwat is asking that for someone who has never invested before, what are the resources you would suggest to familiarize yourself uh, in the public domain? How do I understand the market jargon in a more intuitive manner? And what are the pitfalls one should most totally avoid, especially in these volatile times? Uh, I'll just go by your questions from the end. Especially in these volatile times, no, markets are always volatile. There will never be a situation that markets are not volatile. What are the pitfalls to avoid? I think investing is more about what to avoid than what to do. You have to do very few things. And it is all about not doing many things. Not doing many things, which is chasing recent performance. What has done very well, investors chase that. So right now, the number of questions that we get and we ignore is everybody is wanting to ask that should they be buying gold because it has gone up in recent times, or should they be doing this because it has gone up in recent times. Don't chase recent performance. Don't do anything which you don't understand. Understand your need before you start investing. If this, the primary, the biggest thing that one should decide is for how long is the money to be invested. If it is for 5 years and more, then only you can think of investing in a balanced fund if you're a first-time investor, or in an equity fund if you are a relative, you have experienced the market volatility a little bit, or investing in stocks, a diversified portfolio if you have the time, temperament, as well as understanding, inclination. So these are the steps of doing it. But while you are learning all this, come and read my columns and stories at Value Research Online. And how do I understand the market jargon in a more intuitive manner? Don't try and understand the market jargon. If you in fact come across a jargon, just ignore it, flip over it. You don't have to understand, because investing and business is pretty straightforward. If you can't understand profit, if you can't understand sales, if you can't understand profit before tax, they are self-explanatory. And if you come across something which is a jargon which you don't understand, you have to get to, of course there are public information available. Come to Value Research, you will get that. You can go to Investopedia, you can understand all the expressions about the jargon, return on net worth, or if you have to understand ratios about companies and all, it's all in the public domain. Internet provides you, the web provides you great resources for free. But that is to, help you understand, build on your knowledge, and clear your curiosity. But if you have not done something while you are doing all this, I would say that the value of starting early, value of starting now. So if you are going to invest for 5 years and more, while you are learning this, get started with a balanced fund. Time is crucial. Starting early gets you a great advantage. And there is absolutely no learning till you are experiencing it, what is going on. And once you have put your money, you become interested. So choose a good balanced fund. Start investing tomorrow, and then start learning. And then you will figure out the way.